All right, so a lot of you guys have seemed very interested in this 1975 non-CVC Honda Civic. This is a 2-speed automatic car. It came in, wasn't running, and I did a bunch of work to it. Found the distributor cap and the rotor had welded itself together, and a bunch of carburetor problems, which took a while. It took me 3 or 4 times to get the carburetor apart, figure out what was going on, the float level and a couple other circuits. It's a pretty patinaed car. Again, we're in Portland, Oregon, where cars live a long, happy life. We don't have any salt and we don't have very hot sun, so interiors and exteriors seem to do pretty well. And let's make sure I got the key in my pocket. I do. Let's take this little gem for a drive. Again, this is a 75 Civic. It does have some upgrades. I don't think it originally came with a wood steering wheel, and I don't think that it originally came with 13-inch wheels. I think those are supposed to be 12s, and I think the steering wheel is supposed to be black. A few other things too, but you got to make a car live. So we're sitting behind the dash here. I'll roll the window down because it is warm. Again, we're rolling down these manual windows. Notice there's no electronics. That's what the paint used to look like. That's pretty shiny. That's pretty nice. Pretty beautiful. It's got the old like tire pressure and belts and stuff stickers. It's really cool. And then of course we got our clock up there on the console. I'm going to stick the key, which the original key looks like that, into the ignition and make sure it's in park and see what happens. Fire it up. Seems like it's running smooth. Stella over there wants to go for a ride, but unfortunately it's not going to happen today. So back in the early 70s, you could have turned the radio to your favorite disco station and you could be hanging out, cruising with your wood grain dash and your wood wheel and your 1975 Civic, although I don't think you'd be too cool back then. Most people drive Camaros. So I'm putting it in second gear. I don't know first or which one is, I don't know if it's manually shifted or what, but I think if you put it in second, it'll click down and go to first. So we are in gear and we are ready to go. Running good. Oh yeah, our speedometer works, so that's nice. See if our turn signals work. Yep, it works good. Check for cars coming here. There's a car coming pretty quickly, so I don't know how fast this thing accelerates, so I'm a little nervous about jutting out in front of traffic. So it looks like the road is clear. We'll give her a little test here. She picks up okay. Actually, she picks up better than I thought. It being automatic. Let's see if it shifts. I don't know if it started out in second. It kind of seems like it did. I have no idea where the shift point is. But we're going 40 miles an hour, and I could push it to 50 easy. That's a lot better than when it came in and it wasn't running at all. So we're going to go through the park here. I wonder if I should put it down into first. I think I will do that. I don't know if I have to stop. Okay, put it into first. We'll try that. Yeah, it seems more spunky in first. I wonder if you have to manually shift it. I'm not too familiar with these 2-speed Hondamatics, as you can probably tell. And I gotta make sure there's no cars coming. Again, I'm a little concerned about accelerating in front of traffic. It looks like we're clear. Okay, so I've got her in first gear now. See if it accelerates better. It's about the same, but I can tell it needs to shift. Yeah, okay. There we go. Nice, positive second gear shift. So yeah, you do need to put it down into first. It doesn't start out in first automatically when you put it into second. That's pretty cool. That's quite spunky. The customer's really gonna like it. This brings me back. I didn't own a 1975 Honda, but I owned a 75 something else for a future video, and this brings me right back there. So put it in reverse right there, and we'll back up into a spot. neat little car. Runs great. Has no problem accelerating at all, even with a 2-speed automatic. So let's turn the key off there. A little bit of overrun. And take a look at the outside again. Car could be cleaned up and waxed and it would look pretty good. It actually looks pretty good as it is. It's all one color, of course. It's got these neat little vents in the front, and all the Honda emblems and lights and everything are in good shape. Really neat little car. Thanks for coming along for a drive and enjoying this gem. We will catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.